after day one. There's quite a bit that I've learned already about marketing and drones. It's going to really help me out in my other ventures as well, not just in this one. I'm a contractor and I do some recreational rental stuff as well. And I think this will go a long way in progressing those other ventures as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what the next 2 days have to offer. About halfway through day two of Drone Command Live. So far, we've learned quite a bit about how to grow and market our drone businesses. There's so much to learn, especially on the marketing and sales side. I do construction and I sell some of the product that I install, and I do. And there's so much value to the sell side. Keep looking back and seeing all the things that I have been doing wrong for quite a while, and there's definitely value here in knowing the best ways to apply to my customers. So and take care of their needs.